Hey folks, it's Britt from Rocketfarm, your go-to Norwegian palletizing pros, and welcome to MyRobot.cloud. Probably the simplest palletizing robot management platform you'll ever come across. MyRobot.cloud, you can organize all your customers, robot setups, and leads in one place. Additionally, you can collaborate on products, design patterns, and even run simulations. In other words, you can streamline your entire palletizing process with MyRobot.cloud. Do you want to master the platform? Dive into our tutorial videos. We'll walk you through all configurations and sprinkle in some handy tips and tricks to boost your workflow. Thinking of a personalized demo? Just swing by our website and drop us a message. We're super excited to equip you with all the tools you need to become a palletizing pro. So, dive into MyRobot.cloud and best of luck with all your projects.